There is a yellow box sitting in most American kitchens right now that costs about $1. You use it to make pancakes rise and to absorb odors in the refrigerator. And that is almost certainly all you use it for, because the pharmaceutical industry, the dental industry, and the personal care industry spent 60 years making sure that is all you thought it was good for. My name is Franny. I have been using baking soda as a primary household and personal care compound since 1979. Today, I am counting down 25 baking soda hacks that the industry's selling you branded substitutes have every incentive to suppress exact amounts, exact method, plain English science behind every one. Stay until the end, because hack number 1 is the one the dental industry has specifically kept out of consumer conversations for 40 years. The reason is a story about a billion-dollar product category built on top of a compound that costs $1 a box. Number 25. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 cup of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. Swish for 60 seconds and spit. Baking soda is alkaline. It neutralizes the acidic mouth environment that allows bacteria causing bad breath and tooth decay to thrive. Commercial mouthwashes kill bacteria temporarily while leaving the acidic conditions in place. Baking soda addresses the underlying pH condition. Number 24. Make a paste of baking soda and water. 2 parts baking soda, 1 part water, and apply to insect bites, minor rashes, or skin irritated by poison ivy. Leave 10 minutes and rinse. The alkalinity neutralizes the acidic compounds in insect venom and plant irritant oils that cause itching. This was the standard household remedy before the hydrocortisone cream industry existed. Number 23. Add half a cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak 20 minutes. Softens skin, relieves sunburn, reduces eczema itching, and creates a skin surface inhospitable to bacteria, contributing to body odor. Independent dermatological research confirmed baking soda baths reduce severity of eczema flares used as a regular adjunct treatment. Number 22. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it to relieve heartburn. Sodium bicarbonate reacts directly with excess stomach acid, producing water, salt, and carbon dioxide, neutralizing the acid within minutes. This is the active ingredient in most commercial antacids at a fraction of the cost, documented in the physician's desk reference as an effective antacid since the earliest editions. Number 21. Use baking soda as a dry shampoo. Sprinkle a small amount onto unwashed hair roots, massage gently, brush out, absorbs excess scalp oil, eliminating greasy appearance without water. Commercial dry shampoos use starch or silica for the same result, with added fragrance and aerosol delivery at 10 to 15 times the cost per use. Number 20. Sprinkle baking soda liberally on carpets, leave 30 minutes, vacuum. Neutralizes the odor compounds accumulating in carpet fibers from foot traffic and pet activity. Commercial carpet deodorizers do the same thing with added fragrance. Baking soda does it at a fraction of the cost with 0 chemical residue. Number 19. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to water when boiling green vegetables. The alkaline water helps vegetables retain their green color by preventing the chlorophyll breakdown that turns greens olive drab when cooked. It also slightly reduces cooking time by softening cell walls faster. Professional kitchens have used this for decades. Number 18. Apply baking soda directly to underarms as a natural deodorant. A small pinch patted onto clean, dry skin neutralizes the ammonia and organic acid compounds. Bacteria produce metabolizing sweat, the actual source of body odor. Baking soda creates a mildly alkaline surface environment, inhibiting bacterial metabolic activity. Most commercial deodorants block sweat glands or kill bacteria. Baking soda addresses the chemistry of odor production directly. Number 17, dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a gallon of warm water and use it to wash fresh fruits and vegetables. More effective at removing pesticide residue than plain water, as documented by independent agricultural research. Agricultural university studies found baking soda solution removes a higher percentage of common pesticide residue from apple surfaces than commercial produce washes. Number 16. Make a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, 2 parts baking soda, 1 part peroxide to clean and brighten grout. Apply with a toothbrush, leave 15 minutes, scrub and rinse. Baking soda provides alkaline and abrasive action, while peroxide provides oxidizing action. Together, they address mold, mineral deposits, and soap scum more effectively than any single compound commercial grout cleaner. Number 15. Use baking soda to put out small kitchen grease fires. Sprinkle baking soda directly on a small grease fire. Sodium bicarbonate decomposes in heat, producing carbon dioxide, which smothers the fire by displacing oxygen. Water on a grease fire causes explosive spattering. Every kitchen should have a box within reach of the stove for this reason alone. Number 14. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda into your regular shampoo before washing your hair once a month. Removes silicone and polymer buildup deposited by conditioners and styling products that accumulates on the hair shaft over weeks, dulling shine and weighing hair down. Restores natural texture and shine without stripping natural oils. Number 13. Make a simple facial scrub by mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough water or honey to form a paste. Apply in gentle circular motions 30 seconds, then rinse. Fine baking soda particles provide mild physical exfoliation, removing dead skin cells. Mild alkalinity temporarily neutralizes acidic surface oils, contributing to pore blockage. Commercial facial scrubs use microbeads or walnut shell powder for the same physical exfoliation at significantly higher cost. Number 12. Use baking soda to remove yellowing from white fabrics. Dissolve half a cup of baking soda in a gallon of warm water and soak yellowed white items 1 to 2 hours before washing. The alkaline solution breaks down oxidized fabric residue, causing white fabric to yellow over time, restoring whiteness without chlorine bleach that weakens fabric fibers with repeated use. Number 11. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the water when hand washing dishes. The alkalinity boosts dish soap effectiveness at cutting grease and reduces soap needed. Also softens hard water, reducing mineral deposits forming on dishes and glassware when hard water evaporates during air drying. Number 10. Apply a thin paste of baking soda and water to cold sores or mouth ulcers. The alkaline paste neutralizes the acidic environment that herpes simplex virus and the inflammatory process causing mouth ulcers both favor. Independent oral medicine research confirmed baking soda application reduces healing time and discomfort of both conditions. Number 9. Use baking soda to clean and deodorize a thermos or water bottle with a musty smell. Fill with warm water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, seal, shake, leave 30 minutes, rinse. Dissolves the biofilm of bacteria and mold, causing persistent odor in sealed containers, reaching threading and seal areas brushes cannot fully access. Number 8. Sprinkle baking soda in shoes overnight. Shake out before wearing, neutralizes the acidic compounds produced by foot bacteria, causing shoe odor, and absorbs residual moisture bacteria required to thrive. More effective and less expensive than any commercial shoe deodorizer product. Number 7. Clean stainless steel pots and pans with a baking soda paste. Apply paste, scrub with non-scratch pad, rinse. Mild abrasive action removes brown residue and mineral deposits from stainless steel cooking surfaces without scratching metal or leaving chemical residue that commercial stainless cleaners sometimes deposit in cooking vessels. Number 6. Apply a thick paste of baking soda and water to a minor burn, bee sting, or sunburn immediately. Alkaline paste neutralizes acidic venom in bee stings and reduces inflammatory reaction. On burns and sunburns, draws heat from affected tissue and creates a cool alkaline surface, reducing inflammation. First aid application documented in independent medical literature predating the commercial burn treatment product industry. Number 5. Use baking soda to clean a coffee maker. Run a cycle with 1 tablespoon of baking soda dissolved in the full water reservoir, followed by 2 plain water cycles. The baking soda specifically addresses coffee, oil, residue, and biofilm accumulating in the brewing chamber, different from vinegar, which addresses mineral deposits. Together, they cost less than a single commercial coffee maker cleaning tablet. Number 4. Make a baking soda and lemon juice. Paste 2 tablespoons of baking soda with enough lemon juice to form a thick paste and apply to surface rust on cast iron, stainless steel, or chrome. Leave 15 minutes, scrub with stiff brush. Citric acid reacts with iron oxide through chelation, while baking soda provides alkaline abrasive action. Removes light surface rust more gently than commercial rust removers. Number 3. Make a paste of baking soda and dish soap in equal parts and apply to grease stains on clothing before washing. Leave 15 minutes, wash normally. The alkalinity breaks down fatty acid chains in grease through saponification, while physical abrasion dislodges the stain from fabric fibers. Number 2. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to vase water for cut flowers.